In this guide, I'll show you how to make a nether portal with water and lava. So the first thing you want to do is create a little box with cobblestone, and then you want to place water in it. Now, once you've done that, you want to start building out the shape of the nether portal. So we're going to need 1, 2, 3, and 4 using the lava. And then at this point, you want to start working your way down and building out the shape as to what the portal would look like. So we're going to need 4 across at the bottom as well as 5 down. So we're going to start building this out. So if you need more water, you can always put more water in this location, which works just fine. And what we're going to do now is come under, and you want to start from the bottom to ensure that you're actually building obsidian when you place more lava down here. So what I'm going to do is we're going to switch to this lava. Let's go to the bottom. So you can see we have 4 at the top, and we're going to do 1, 2, 3. Let's get this last one, 4. And then let's go back down here, and we're going to do this bottom portion. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 with the bottom here. And now we just need to work our way up. So 1, 2, and there we go. Now you'll likely have some water left over. That's totally fine. All you need to do is use something like cobblestone or any bricks really, and just fill in this gap until the water is fully gone. And it looks like the water is dissipating down here, so that's great. And then you just want to ensure that this water over here isn't going to come into that section. So now that we filled this up fully, we just need to remove all these bricks. And once we've done that, it's simply just a matter of using our flint and steel, and we have this nether portal. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.